Hey everyone, welcome to Learn with Mamo Melala. If you want to improve your English and speak confidently in everyday situations, this video is just for you. Today I'll share essential English sentences that you can use in daily life, travel, shopping, restaurant, and social conversations. These sentences will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. So stick around till the end and let's start learning together. Daily life sentences. I'm feeling hungry. Let's eat something. I need some rest. Can you pass me the salt? It's too hot today. The weather is nice. My phone battery is low. I'm going shopping. What's for dinner? I need to wake up early tomorrow. Travel and transportation. How do I get to the airport? What time does the train leave? I would like to book a ticket. Could you show me the way? Where is the nearest ATM? I need a taxi. How far is this place? Is there a bus stop nearby? I missed my flight. Do you have a map? Shopping and money. Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a discount? I'm just looking, thanks. Where can I find this item? How much is this in total? It's too expensive. Do you have this as a different color? I would like to return this. Is there a sale going on? Can I pay in cash at a restaurant or cafe? I would like to order. What is the special dish today? Can I have the menu, please? Do you have vegetarian options? Could you bring me some water? This food tastes delicious. The bill, please. Do you have takeaway service? Can I get an extra plate? What would you recommend? Social and friendly conversations. Congratulations. That's a great idea. Let's catch up soon. I really enjoyed talking to you. What's new with you? I had a great time today. You look amazing today. Let's keep in touch. Do you want to hang out this weekend? I appreciate your help. That's it for today. I hope you found these English sentences helpful for your daily conversations. The best way to improve is to practice, so start using these sentences in real life. Let me know in the comments which category you liked the most. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.